Hi, I'm Chuck with ABR Industries. I'm the technical partner at the company. We're here at the Huntsville Hamfest. We've got a couple of new things to talk about here at the show. So I'm going to start with those first, and then we'll kind of go through some of the more popular items. So we've introduced a 174 product. So we've increased the connectivity by putting a tin copper center conductor and braid on this product. But the nice thing about this is its way it can bend and twist and turn so that there's no real memory versus compared to like a 316 product. The trade-offs are about 100 watts is the limit for this. The insertion loss between the two is going to be relatively the same. And the one thing is, as much as this is flexible, it's not as crush resistant in a door jamb as the 316 cable. So got those. And then one of the other new items, and then I'll go back a little bit, is we're starting to do portable grounding buses. This is just one of our display pieces. I've beaten this one up pretty good, but we'll offer it with or without the cables. You can fit it to 1/2-inch or 1-inch braid. Standoffs can go right on a plate. They can go into a vehicle, an RV. It's designed to be something of more of a starter product. There are more elaborate ones that are available, but this is something to kind of have out there, and we've got a nice price point we're going to set up for this. And then, like I said, we can kit it with any of the braid that you see out there, whether it's 1-inch or 1/2-inch. That's the 1-inch, and that's the 1/2-inch. A couple of the other items, we ran out a little bit on the inlines, but this is a display sample, just kind of showing some of the types we have. We have them in 3, 5, or 7 ferrites to maximize performance. So we have them with a SO239 to a PL. It can be PL to PL, SO to SO, whatever you got your setup, just to put them in line. We also offer wrapped versions with a Series 43. So these products are designed to help also not only on the common mode, but more for the key-up issues, the transmit side of things. And we build a lot of these as standard products with either the 223 cable or with the Teflon, the 400, the PTFE. And the reason being we offer both of these is that the silver offers the best conductivity, so that helps the performance with the ferrites to try to maximize its performance in the system. Some other items we always have is our colored cables. We've got a colored, kit that's done up in 30, 50 footers, whatever lengths that you're looking for. And it's got the PL 259s, but you can build them with BNCs or any other configuration that you might need online. We offer it now with Army Green. I don't know if I showed this to you last time we visited, but Army Green is becoming a very popular color because not as much seeing it, but hiding it along your house. And then we've got some more of the traditional products, the 240 Ultraflex itself, this type of product. And then also on the flip side, we still have a lot of the 400 series, standard products, PLs, N-types, whatever configuration somebody might need. And just don't forget that everything that we can do, we can even wrap the bigger cables. This was just one extra one that we had from a sale, but it's got the ferrites and the wrap colors. But we can do it in any of the high sheen colors, purple. We can do it now in pink. We can do it in also good old red, white, and blue. And this is going to be really a popular item too. So something patriotic that you got going on, we've got the cables to help you out. So that's what we got here at the Huntsville Hamfest. Appreciate the time.